Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site. Bit of an overcast day, but it's at least it's dry. We're one of 4 sites in the UK under the umbrella of the Cox Motor Group. And today we have for you the 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. It's an SG3 DI. It's a 3.2 diesel engine, 5-speed auto in metallic brown, silver alloys and tread plates at the side, rear tinted windows, roof rail. It also has a panoramic roof. It's in great condition. It's a beautiful drive, very comfortable. I mean, as SUVs go, this is, in my opinion, it's an absolute monster. But it's a great car, and it's just something a little bit different as well to what's out there at the moment, even though it is an older vehicle. Just have a quick look inside for you. So you got full leather in ivory. Sweep that back for you. There you go. Then you've got the functionality of the driving choices on the wheelbase and the 4-wheel drive. So if you've got any questions about this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call. Better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive. And we also do a personal video tour as well, so if there's anything you want us to highlight or pinpoint, we can do that for you, no problem. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.